When using the Motive application, there are 4 pre-saved layouts, each optimized for different parts of the motion capture process. These can be accessed through either the Layout drop-down menu in the top left corner, which can also be used to create custom layouts, or through preset layout buttons in the top right corner. The first layout is the Calibrate layout, which features a ruler as its icon. When launching Motive, this will always be the active look. This is optimized for calibrating the position of the cameras within the mocap space, along with the ground plane and anything else that might be perceived as a marker. Next is the Create layout, which features a blank avatar as its icon. It is centered around the creation of skeletons, or rigid bodies that match the movement of actors. From here, new skeletons can be created, or the settings surrounding existing ones can be manipulated. Third is the Capture layout, shown with the camera icon. As you may guess, this layout is for capturing and recording all of the actor's movements and the data behind it. This layout also has a panel that lists all assets being captured, as well as all of the previous recorded takes. Finally, there is the Edit layout, represented by a pencil. This layout allows recorded takes to be played back and edited by the user. The Data panel, which is also present in the Capture layout, is the best way to export specific takes as well as changing anything about the recording file itself.